Greetings everyone and welcome to our culinary journey. Today we delve into the rich tapestry of forgotten Christmas Eve feasts. While turkey, stuffing and cranberry sauce are beloved staples, there's so much more to discover. We're venturing beyond the familiar to uncover the heartwarming traditions of yesteryears. Join us as we explore the cherished Christmas traditions from various cultures that have nearly faded away. Prepare to leave behind the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary flavors of Christmas past. Our journey begins in Lithuania, a land steeped in history, culture and enduring traditions that have been lovingly preserved through the ages. On Christmas Eve, the focus shifts from gifts to Kūčios, a dinner rich in tradition and meaning. This evening is dedicated to family, introspection, and a profound connection to Lithuanian heritage. The feast features 12 distinct dishes, symbolizing the 12 apostles. Each dish carries its own unique significance and flavor, contributing to the evening's spiritual depth. The meal is entirely vegetarian, reflecting purity and abstinence before Christmas Day. This tradition emphasizes reflection and spiritual preparation. Herring, a staple of the Kūčios table, provides essential nutrients during the cold winter months. This dish is both nourishing and symbolic. Mushrooms harvested from the forest bring an earthy, authentic flavor to the meal. They connect the feast to the natural world, grounding the celebration in nature. Poppy seed milk, with its unique taste, offers a delightful contrast to more familiar holiday treats. This traditional drink is both a culinary and cultural treasure. Each dish tells a story, and every bite is like a prayer. The conversations and shared memories enrich the evening, making it truly special. Kūčios is more than just a meal, it's a living history. Every moment around the table celebrates heritage, togetherness, and the enduring spirit of Lithuanian culture. Next, we're off to Italy, but forget spaghetti and meatballs. Instead, prepare yourself for a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and warm your heart. Italians truly excel in the art of celebration, and their Feast of the Seven Fishes is a Christmas Eve masterpiece. This cherished tradition brings families together, creating memories that last a lifetime. 7 courses, each one a celebration of the ocean's bounty. From delicate clams to succulent lobster, every dish is a testament to the richness of the sea. Why 7? Perhaps it's for the 7 sacraments of the Catholic Church, or maybe the 7 hills of Rome. The number 7 holds a profound significance in Italian culture and tradition. What truly matters is the food. The joy of sharing these incredible dishes with loved ones is what makes this feast so special. Clams, mussels, lobster, cod, and so much more. Each dish is prepared with love and care, reflecting the rich culinary heritage of Italy. The variety is astounding, and each family has their own unique recipes passed down through generations. Every family has their own special way of making it, their own secret ingredient, but it's always amazing seafood. The Feast of the Seven Fishes is more than just a meal, it's a heartfelt celebration of family, tradition, and the sea's generous gifts. Our third stop is France's Réveillon, a midnight feast that nourishes both body and soul. This is not just any meal, it's a culinary experience steeped in tradition, bringing families together in the most festive and meaningful way possible. We're in France, the land renowned for its butter, cream, and exquisite cuisine. Here food transcends mere sustenance. It is an art form, a cultural cornerstone. The French approach their food with reverence, and this dedication is evident in every meticulously prepared dish. They call it Réveillon, which means waking up, and indeed your taste buds will be awakened by this feast. This tradition, dating back centuries, is a heartfelt celebration marking the end of the year and the hopeful beginning of a new one, shared with loved ones. Picture this: midnight mass concludes, the church bells toll, and you step out into the crisp night air. The streets are hushed, yet there's a palpable sense of anticipation. You know that something extraordinary is about to unfold. Instead of heading home to sleep, you gather around a table brimming with the most delectable food imaginable. The table is adorned with the finest china and crystal, and the aroma of the feast is utterly intoxicating. Oysters, because even at midnight the French indulge in gourmet delights. These aren't just any oysters, they are the freshest, most succulent oysters, served on a bed of ice with a squeeze of lemon, embodying the essence of French culinary excellence. Foie gras, rich, buttery, and perhaps a bit controversial, but it's Christmas. This luxurious delicacy is a staple of the Réveillon feast, served with toasted brioche and a dollop of fig jam, creating a symphony of flavors. And for dessert, the bûche de Noël, a Yule log cake so exquisite you'll savor every bite. This cake is a masterpiece, adorned with meringue mushrooms and dusted with powdered sugar to resemble a snowy log, a true testament to French patisserie. Réveillon is more than just a meal. It's a heartfelt celebration of culinary artistry and togetherness. It's a time for family and friends to unite, share stories and laughter, and create cherished memories that will endure for a lifetime. So here's to Réveillon, a midnight feast for the soul and a joyous celebration of life itself. As the world evolves and cultures intertwine, it's crucial to preserve these cherished traditions. These are not merely recipes but a bridge to our heritage, something more precious than any culinary accolade. This Christmas, consider forgoing the usual fare and embrace something new, something ancient, something truly delightful. Thank you for accompanying me on this culinary journey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more cultural explorations.